Yes, I'm a recovering software engineer. My job is to make your lives easier. Can I get a show of hands of people who use the Microsoft stack? All right, you can ignore me too. You may have noticed, if you've been using Microsoft tools for a long time, that MSDN has gone away, or it's in the process of going away. We're moving to a new platform, docs.microsoft.com. Our content has been switched out to, basically, it's all markdown stuff that's hosted on GitHub. Here's a repo for the C++ content. Every single page has a couple of handy buttons at the bottom for reporting issues, either in the product or the content on the page. And there's also an edit button. You see a problem? You can fix it. As it happens, this is a large, old set of content. We have more than 10,000 articles, and there are only 2 of us who are in charge of maintaining it, plus writing all the new stuff for our actively developed compiler technology. So if you see an issue, you can fix it, and we would really appreciate it. I'm going to show you how to fix a typo. I was seeing an issue today, and wait, suppress unmanaged code security? Maybe I should report this. Oh, there's that handy button. I could make an issue. No, let's just fix that typo. Look, there's a handy pencil icon. That means, let's edit this document. Look, it's taken me to GitHub. This is the actual preview that GitHub renders of our markdown content. I click that little pencil icon. Here's the raw content. It's got a bit of a YAML header. I see that has an error. Oh, wait. Here's the correctly spelled bit. I'm going to just Control-C this. Let's stick it in the title and in the H1. That's good. Okay. I'm going to say, let's fix a typo. Propose a file change. So I've made a commit. Now let's make a pull request. Yeah, that all looks fine. There are some guidelines for contributing. I'll talk about those in a moment. We have some automation that says, oh, yep, we've passed, it looks okay. We just need to get somebody to approve it. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. All right. So since anyone can contribute, you probably want to know how. We actually have a contributor guide at this particular address. I'll show it to you. Actually, I won't. If you want to do more work, then you just see a typo. If you say, oh, you know, this actually is a sample is bogus, it doesn't work, you can raise an issue, and I recommend it, and you can propose a fix. Our style guide has all the info on how to fork our repo, how to propose a PR, how to sound like MSDN. Here, I'll show you. If I go back to the main page on our repo and scroll down, we've got a bunch of documentation on how to contribute. It's got pointers to all the things you might be interested in order to fix that. And if you've got more than just a typo to add, we'll ask you to sign our contributor's license, which is basically a license saying, yes, we can continue to publish this fix. And we have an open source code of conduct, which says, well, it's basically what a lawyer would give you if some lawyer was trying to write Wheaton's Law, which is, don't be a jerk. And that's it. Thank you.